There are thousands of Blender tutorials on the internet, and unfortunately, a wide majority of these are either not helpful or just plain bad. And that's why I'm creating this video, to show you the top channels that will actually make you learn Blender and get you the results you want fast. And the first of these is, of course, Andrew Price, aka Blender Guru. And even though everybody and their mom knows who he is, I would still feel like an absolute idiot if I didn't mention him in this video. And if you're new to Blender, this is 100% the best channel to go to in order to begin learning your new favorite 3D software. Obviously, I'd recommend you start with his donut tutorial, which he literally just updated for the latest version of Blender. So watch that if you haven't already, and I assure you, you'll be a Blender pro in no time. Now, the next creator is William Landgren. This guy has pretty much been my all-time favorite Blender artist. His work is absolutely stunning, and his tutorials and videos are great as well. I remember back in the day, I would watch his live streams all the time, since they're around 4 to 5 hours long, and basically just show the entire workflow of a pro artist doing their thing. The only issue is he hasn't published stuff on the internet for like a year or so. I'm not exactly sure why. However, he does still have amazing content to go back and watch and therefore learn from. Now, obviously, I want to quickly mention that there are hundreds of Blender creators I love to recommend and endorse, but due to the nature of my videos being shorter in length, I just can't mention them all. So if you're a Blender creator and I didn't mention you in this video, rest assured I more than likely know who you are. It's simply a matter of me trying to keep these videos as quick, concise, and to the point as possible. And by the way, if you are actually a creator, please do drop a comment down below, as I love meeting fellow like-minded people and would love to see you in the comments. Okay, now the next YouTuber is Smeaf. His videos are hands down the most entertaining Blender related videos I've ever seen, especially recently as he started putting out more challenge style content. Anyways, I love this guy and his videos, and if you enjoy my stuff, you'll definitely love his too. Now, I don't want to make this list too long, and I think the best way of doing that is sending y'all over to Holt's page, because he's got a ton of these little Blender community summary videos where he essentially shows a ton of cool Blender projects and channels you can watch. And I think this is the best place to go if you really want to get a long list of Blender channels to binge. Also, I have a vague memory of him putting my channel in one of his videos like ages back, which gave me the biggest rush of motivation ever. So Curtis, if you're watching this, I appreciate it, bro. You're amazing. Anyways, to be honest with you guys, there are thousands of hours of content out there, and I assure you, start with the channels I mentioned here, have some fun, and you'll be a pro in no time. The Blender community has got to be one of the most positive places on the planet, and this is very clearly noticeable in the content put out about it. And by the way, I recently uploaded a video about a new AI and whether or not it will replace Blender artists, which y'all seem to really enjoy. So make sure you watch that if you haven't already, and I'll see you next time. Peace.